Okay, alright guys, you see the problem here has changed. Formerly we had a plus sign here and we had a subtraction sign here. Okay, so now we are going to look at formerly we had a positive sign and a positive sign here. Now we are going to look at where there are subtraction sign. How do we now do the subtraction? Of course, the steps are not different. It's just the same. Just to do subtraction instead of addition. Okay, so the first step is to still do what? Find the LCM of the denominator. I want to believe that you've not forgotten the meaning of LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So once you found the LCM, the second thing to do, the first thing is to find the LCM of the denominator. The second thing to do is to multiply the fractions by the LCM. Yeah, that's the second thing to do. Then the third thing to do is to simplify. Okay, simplify. That's the third thing to do. Now let's start at once. So we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So first of all, what's the LCM of 4 and 4? We've done that already. The LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So that means that what that means is that the LCM is now going to form the denominator of the new fraction that we are looking for. So we now do the next step, which is multiply the fractions by the LCM. So we are going to have 4 times 3 over 4. And don't forget, this is a minus sign. So minus 4 times 1 over 4. Okay, so at this point, we are going to do the third step, which is simplify. The simplify means that we should do any reductions that are possible or necessary. So 4 here is going to be 1. 4 here is 1. So we are left with 1 times 3. Minus 4 here is 1. 4 here is 1. We are left with 1 times 1. All of that over 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 1 times 1, which is 1. All over 4. You see this? So this now becomes 3 minus 1, which is what? 2. All over 4. Okay? 2 over 4. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 2 over 4. But there is something that we can do here. We can reduce this fraction 2 over 4 to the lowest term. So how do we do that? 2 over 4, if 2 goes into 2, we are going to get 1. And 2 goes into 4, we are going to get 2. So this becomes 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So we have succeeded in finding the difference between these two fractions. So the answer is 1 over 2. Alright, let's take the other example, the other instance up there, where we have 11 over 5 minus 4 over 3. So the same procedure applies. The LCM, which we have actually done before, is going to be 15. So that we now have 15 times 11 over 5, yeah, minus 15 times 4 over 3. So 5, this goes into 5, we have 1. 5 divides 15, we have 3. So that in this other part, this is the simplification part now, remember? So 3 here, 1, 3 into 15, we have 5, right? So this now becomes 3 times 11 is 33, minus 5 times 4, which is 20, all over 15. 3 times 3, 33, minus 5 times 4, which is 20. So 33 minus 20 gives us 13 over 15. 13 over 15, you see that? So this is the solution for this. We have 13 over 15. Okay, so that's that. It's simple. Addition, subtraction of fraction. Any number of fraction that it may be. Imagine that you had 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus plus 7 over 6. Yeah, you can still do this. All you just need to do is to get the LCM of the three numbers, the denominators, and repeat the same procedure. Okay, I think I should do that now. I should do something close to that right away. Let's see. Let's say we have this, and you are required to solve this. You are required to do 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 2 over what should I use now? Plus 1 over 3. Let's do it this way. Okay, so we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. Now, in this case, we still do the same thing. The same procedure is what we use. First of all, we find the LCM of 4, 4, and 3. Now, believing that you can find LCM, the LCM of 4, 4, and 3 is going to be 12. Alright, so you try finding that out by yourself. So, 12, we use 12 to multiply through all the fractions, so that we are going to get 12 times 3 over 4 minus 12 times 1 over 4 plus 12 times 1 over 3. Okay, so 4 here is going to be 1. 4 into 12 is 3. So that means that I'm already having 3 times 3, which is going to be 9. Okay, okay, let me finish with this. 4 here is 1, 4 this is 3. And 3 here is 1, 3 here is 4. Okay, so up here what is left is 3 times 3 minus 3 times 1 plus 4 times 1 plus 4 times 1. That's what I have up there. All of those divided by 12. Okay, so this will now become 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3 plus 4 times 1, which is what? 4. Okay, all over 12. So all I'm going to do is to rearrange to sum this. 9 minus 3 is 6, right? Yes, it's 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I have 10 over 12. Now you see, I can't leave this answer this way because I can reduce it to the lowest term. I can reduce 10 and 12 to their lowest term. So 2 into 10 will give me 5, and 2 into 12 will give me 6. So I have 5 over 6 as my answer. Alright, so you see that that's how that works. Okay, that's it for addition and subtraction of fractions.